Hi everyone, today I'm going to answer the question, what's the number one reason to have a 72-hour kit? But first I want to introduce myself. My name is Joan Haney. My family and friends call me the Prepper Mom. I have 36 years experience of living a self-reliant and prepping lifestyle with my sweet husband Scott. We have taught self-reliance and emergency preparedness for over 15 years now and recently added emergency communications. We are a retired military family, and I'm proud to say my husband and both my sons are combat veterans. So let's answer that question. What's the number one reason to have a 72-hour emergency kit? Well, so that you're ready to leave and you can survive when there's any man-made natural disaster or catastrophe, whatever that may be. By putting distance between yourself and danger, you are able to get out faster, bug out, and get to a safe location that you have planned for and is predestined. You're all ready to go. You know what you're going to be doing. If you've not assembled a 72-hour kit and have your things together, you're going to be wasting time. You may not have everything when you leave. Seconds count when one needs to bug out. You need to do it now while you have plenty of time and you're thinking clearly due to not being under stress. If you wait during a crisis mode, you're going to forget things. And I'd just like to share a quick story with you that is an example of that. It is February 2021 today, and 2 years ago, as you may be aware, in Washington State, Oregon, and California, there were tons of big fires, and that was happening here. The smoke was horrible, you guys. It was really bad. And about an hour north of us, there was a family that everybody did have their 72-hour kits, and they had them hanging up in the garage for each family member, all ready to grab and put in their cars whenever there was a major emergency or disaster. Well, this fire's coming, and it's getting closer and closer, and finally they're told they've got to evacuate. They panic and were so afraid, you guys, they hopped in their vehicle, left their 72-hour kits. So you've got to drill. Not only having your things together, assembled in one area is important, but you've got to drill some more and keep drilling so that it's second nature to you, so you don't forget. So thank you for joining me for this video. This is number one of a short 3-part series about 72-hour kits. And in the next video, we're going to cover the military acronym called PACE, talk about evaluation and the most likely hazards or threats that might be for you and your family or loved ones. We'll discuss tactics, where you're going, and video 3 will be about military recon of escape routes or your escape route. So thank you so much for joining me, for watching this video. Greatly appreciate you. God bless you, and wish you the best of luck in everything, and really encourage you and your loved ones. If you don't already have a 72-hour kit, get one. In the very near future, I'll be providing the packing list that we use. We used to backpack a ton, and so we've got a lot of experience. We'll be having all kinds of videos on what we use for 72-hour kits and what we put in them, and a whole bunch more that has to do anything self-reliance or prepping we'll be covering, especially if you live on a homestead or you're wanting to raise your own food and be safe. So thank you for joining me. If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button below and love any comments, and keep on prepping. God bless you, God bless America, and have a wonderful day.